Turn that frown upside down and don't stop. That seems to be the stance of ARAI AI aficionados, especially after CEO Dan O'Toole recently outlined the company's long-term strategy in a framework he calls the ARAI AI Playbook, designed to guide growth, innovation, and execution as the company scales its autonomous delivery platform. The strategy is anchored in 5 core values: trust, merit, mutuality, innovation, and simplicity, which O'Toole described as practical operating principles rather than marketing slogans. A central pillar of the playbook is intellectual property. ARAI AI reports more than 200 patent claims filed or awarded, with a strategy of continuously layering new claims as products evolve. This approach is intended to defensively position the company as it refines its AI-powered arrive points for drone, robotic, and human-enabled last-mile delivery. O'Toole also emphasized broad-based equity participation, stating that all employees receive equity as part of compensation, aligning workforce incentives with long-term shareholder value. Leadership views employee ownership as a key cultural driver during a period of aggressive build-out. The company's headquarters in Fishers, Indiana was selected strategically, citing Indiana's designation as a national drone test site and its central geographic location for logistics and autonomous systems testing. The 30,000-square-foot facility accommodates rapid workforce growth, seeing as how the past year saw 10x growth from 6 to 60 employees. As the workforce keeps growing, the headquarters will support engineering and design teams developing next-generation autonomous delivery systems. It will also provide ample space for a planned showroom to showcase the company's Arrive Point's smart mailbox technology. Chief Strategy Officer Nirav Shah described the facility as a launchpad for innovation, enabling hands-on prototyping and demonstrations for partners, investors, and the community. Located near Interstate 69 and close to the Yard, Topgolf and IKEA, the site places ARAI AI within Fishers' innovation corridor. Fishers Mayor Scott Fadness said the move reinforces the city's goal of becoming a hub for technology and innovation. Partnerships are another focus area, with ARAI prioritizing collaborators across vendors, municipalities, customers, and investors that are willing to move quickly and embrace innovation. It's also continuously evaluating acquisitions and vertical integration opportunities to strengthen its platform. To keep financially fueled, ARAI secured $3 million in financing through a prepaid purchase agreement with Streeterville Capital, completed December 3rd under a previously established facility. The deal includes an unsecured $3.24 million promissory note, with an 8% annual interest rate and a $240,000 original issue discount. Streeterville may convert amounts into shares at a discount tied to recent VWAP levels, subject to ownership limits. The financing provides near-term liquidity as ARAI AI navigates ongoing losses and a sharply lower share price. Indeed, ARAI is very much a company still in early commercialization mode, but actively building towards scale. As shown through its last quarterly results, revenue totaled $7,450, reflecting the deployment of 2 revenue-generating Arrive Points and marking the company's first step into commercial operations. A net loss of $2.2 million was wider than the $800,000 loss a year ago, as it continued to invest heavily in talent, technology, and partnerships. Operating expenses came in at $1.7 million, roughly $1 million below internal expectations, signaling improving cost discipline. The quarter ended with $2.7 million in cash and short-term investments, up $2.1 million sequentially, supported by $4 million drawn from a capital line. Management believes this liquidity provides runway into 2027. Leadership emphasized that near-term losses reflect intentional investment in infrastructure, IP, and talent, with a long-term focus on recurring subscription revenue. The outlook centers on scaling deployments across healthcare, retail, and municipal markets while converting pilot programs into broader commercial adoption. Other optimism specifically related to the prominence of its stock, which trades under the ticker symbol ARAI, revolves around it being added to the Russell 2000 and Russell 3000 indexes, signaling increased visibility among institutional investors. The Russell 3000 tracks the 3,000 largest publicly traded U.S. companies by market capitalization, while the Russell 2000 focuses on small-cap stocks. With a market cap of about $190.6 million, ARAI AI fits the small-cap profile. CEO Dan O'Toole said the inclusion elevates the company's presence within the institutional investment community and may improve trading liquidity, as many index funds and ETFs track these benchmarks. So if you're on board with Dan O'Toole and his vision of autonomizing mailboxes for drones, ground robots, and human couriers, please like and share this video with your delivery pals on places like X, Telegram, Stock Twits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.